Now, something I do want to mention at this point are jumbo solar panels. Solar panels generally come in two sizes. You've sort of got standard panels, which are about 1.8 by 1.1 meters, and that's pretty much the size of every panel I've mentioned so far in the video. And then you've also got jumbo panels, which are physically much bigger, about 2.4 meters by 1.1. A good example is the ICO Stellar, which is a 665 watt panel. Now, jumbo panels are traditionally used on commercial projects, but they can absolutely make sense on residential roofs as well, particularly if you've got a wide open roof with no awkward obstructions. Last year, we had a project where the front of the roof could fit 7 standard ICO 470 watt panels, giving 3.29 kilowatt peak. When we looked at jumbo panels, we could actually fit 7 of the ICO 625s, which gave us 4.375 kilowatts peak, just because it could make a bit better use of the space. So linking back to what I said about pitched roofs a moment ago, the principle is still exactly the same. It's all about generation per square metre. If a jumbo panel gets you more total power out of your roof than a standard panel does, then go with the jumbo. Don't just default to the standard size because that's what your installer tends to quote.